Mate ho fatto. Rest in peace.
Another funeral service, we all mourn from different churches. Confused faces and what's worse, it's a young person. Open coffin, the last goodbyes with tears jerking. Hopes murdered cause he's passing, it's still hurting. Mama's burdened with plenty questions and blank answers. These innocent souls eroding off our own campus, and I swear it's like a curse. When one dies, I can't help realize it all occurs around similar times. Hearts torn and we all mourn till the next dawn. Silence crawls upon our lives and we all pause, reminiscing, we shedding tears as we share thoughts, hoping you make it through heaven's doors. Nevertheless, you better rest, I'll let your blues home, but I'll return for conversations at your tombstone. It feels cold when you're alone, trying to go through these ebony nights. I look up at the sky and ask why, what's we got? It's the hardest fact of life to accept. With time, it never gets easier. As we watch loved ones fade away before our own eyes, we ask questions in a book. Mate ho fatto.